Alright, so here we have the new Apple Watch Series 5. So just got it in. We're going to be unboxing it really quick to do a full review on it and see if it's worth buying it. Hey there, and before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit that bell to receive notifications on my future videos. And let's get right to the video now. So just got the brand new Apple Watch Series 5 in. In this video, we're going to be unboxing it and reviewing it to see if it's actually worth buying. We're going to be comparing it to the Apple Watch Series 4 and Apple Watch Series 3 to see what updates it brings to determine if it's actually worth buying or not. So here we have the front of the box. It's a black box this time. Just has the Apple logo here, the watch, and this one is the Nike Series Apple Watch. So all of the sides of the boxes are plain pretty much, except the back, which here we will have the basic information of the Apple Watch, like the serial number, IMEI, and here's the information on the Apple Watch, the model number, 44 millimeters. This one is silver aluminum case with the black Nike sport band. So let's open up the box here. And there we have it, the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Series. So here we have the watch in here. So here we have the manuals and terms and conditions. Here we're gonna have the wireless charger, and here we're gonna have the wall plug charger adapter. Right here, we're gonna have the Apple Watch itself. And then here, we're gonna have the watch band that I chose, which was the Nike black and white sport band. Nice packaging here. Beautiful presentation here for all Apple products pretty much. We have two different size bands for small to medium wrists, and this one is for medium to large wrists. So the Apple Watch comes in this little protective case. This is the 44 millimeter. And there we have it, the Apple Watch Series 5. Very similar to the Apple Watch Series 4, which is the one that I have on. So let's go ahead and remove my Apple Watch Series 4 so that we can place them side by side and compare them. All right, so I'm gonna place the Apple Watch Series 5 on now, which is the new one, and let's go ahead and activate it. So you may be asking yourself, what new features does the Apple Watch Series 5 have over the Apple Watch Series 4 that actually make it worth upgrading to? So really, the Apple Watch Series 5 has 4 main upgrades. So now it has the always on display, which is the display where you will always be able to see the time and info that you choose to show on the face of the Apple Watch without you having to spin your wrist. Even if you have your watch at a certain distance from your face, you can still glance at it and look at the time and any other information that you choose to show on your always on display. The always on display will be dimmed to preserve battery life as well. And then when you flip your watch over, it will light up completely. Another upgrade that they're offering now with the Apple Watch Series 5 is that they're offering the new titanium case. Before they were offering just aluminum, stainless steel, and ceramic. Now they're offering that fourth option, which is titanium, which is going to be priced just under the ceramic case at $799 for the most affordable option. Another cool upgrade is that the Apple Watch Series 5 now comes with 32 gigabytes of storage when the Apple Watch Series 4 and Series 3 came with 16 gigabytes of storage. And then the fourth upgrade is that the Apple Watch Series 5 also has an improved processor. It has the Apple Watch S5 processor now, improves the ability of the Apple Watch and makes it a little bit faster. So pretty much aside from that, all of the other updates that Apple has come out with for the Apple Watch series, most of them are upgrades that you can also take advantage of with your Apple Watch Series 4 and some with your Apple Watch Series 3 as well. So other important updates that Apple has done is they've changed the options and varieties of the bands that you can choose. They've added a ton of new watch faces, but this is available for Apple Watch Series 4 and 3 just by updating to the new watchOS 6. You can now reach Siri straight from your Apple Watch. For women, there's a new menstrual cycle tracking app. And as we already know with the previous Apple Watches, you can now stream music straight from your Apple Watch by having the cellular data plan connected with your iPhone and connected connect your Apple Watch straight to your AirPods and listen to music or audiobooks on the go without having to necessarily take your iPhone along with you. You can pay for stuff through Apple Pay directly from your Apple Watch and do things like call, send text messages, all from your Apple Watch as well without your iPhone. They have a built-in compass. So both Apple Watch Series 5 and Series 4 are ECG certified, meaning they're certified to perform electrocardiograms to track the health of your heart. Apple Watches Series 3, 4, and 5 are water resistant up to 50 meters. And the Apple Watch Series 4 and Series 5 have the same body and screen size, so they are thinner and these screens are larger than that of the Apple Watch Series 3. So the prices right now of the Apple Watch Series 5 is $399 for the most basic model, which would be the 40mm case with just GPS. Now, if you want GPS and cellular data on your Apple Watch, then the least expensive option is going to be $499 for the 40mm case. If you want the 44mm case, which is this one right here, this one is going to start at $429 for the GPS only model and $529 for the GPS and cellular version. So the Apple Watch Series 4 is going to be discontinued since it is pretty much the same as the Apple Watch Series 5, but the Apple Watch Series 5 having a few upgrades. So Apple decided to discontinue the Apple Watch Series 4 since they are so similar and continue offering the Apple Watch Series 3 at a much more affordable price of $199 for the GPS model and $299 for the GPS and cellular model. So is the Apple Watch Series 5 worth it? Is it worth upgrading from the Apple Watch Series 4? So the things that you're going to want to consider here is if you're actually willing to spend the extra money just for the few upgrades that it actually brings. So let's recap real quick. The Apple Watch Series 5 now offers always on display. It's coming in the new titanium case. It comes now with 32 gigabytes instead of 16 gigabytes. And it has the Apple S5 chip, which is supposed to be a little bit faster. Now, if these four things you consider to be worth upgrading for, then you may want to go ahead and spend the extra money and get the Apple Watch Series 5 from your Apple Watch Series 4. But if these things aren't worth it for you, then the Apple Watch Series 4 is worth holding on to until Apple comes out with a new Apple Watch that has more features, as the Apple Watch Series 4 is very similar to the Apple Watch Series 5. If you have the Apple Watch Series 3, or if you don't have an Apple Watch at all and you're thinking about getting yourself an Apple Watch, then there you really may want to think about getting the Apple Watch Series 5, as it is the latest one and brings the most features. But once again, if you already have the Apple Watch Series 4, you may want to think twice before spending the money and upgrading for the few updates that the Apple Watch Series 5 offers. All right, everyone, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.